Hey guys, it's me Bella, and today I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make this watermelon powder chain loom. So, what you will need is looms, of course. You can get these at the dollar store or something. You'll need pink and green, as many as you need, as many as you want, really. Doesn't really matter. And you can use your fingers, your 2 fingers, or you can use this tool. And if you want a video on all these materials and stuff, I can do a video. So you can use either or. You might not have this, so then you'll need, today we're going to be using a C-clip. But if you don't have C-clips, you can use an S-clip. So, again, if you want to know what's the difference and stuff between your fingers and this and all that, and stuff like that, you can comment down below. So, let's get on to the video. Okay. So I'm going to start with the green because it's kind of how the watermelon goes, right? Because we're doing watermelon. So I'm just going to use my fingers today. I'm going to put a green on. So I'm going to try to show this as good as possible. So what you're going to do is going to take the green one, and it's the same thing on this. I'm just going to put it on, twist it. So it's the exact same if you're using a tool like that. So you put it on, twist it, and put it on. So you're going to use your pointer and your middle finger. Then you're going to take a pink one. You are not going to twist this one. You're just going to put it over top of the green. Pull one side of the green over, pull the other side, and then you're going to take a green. You're not going to twist it, just going to put it on. And then, and then you go one side, and now you're going to do the pink. One side, and you're only twisting it at the very beginning, right? So it should start to look like that. And you just keep going. And if something messes up, like say it slips off when this is on, it's really easy to fix. So I'll show you. So I'm going to take a pink, because I just put the green on. So say it's on like this, and you put one on and then this slips off. Like that slips off. You just grab this back. Just grab it. Put it back on your finger, and you just put the pink back on. Really easy. If there's any other things that happen and you can't fix it, just restart, right? Doesn't take that long. And now I did pink, and now I'm going to do green. So I'll just do this and come back when I'm almost finished. Okay, so now that I'm almost finished, I'm just gonna make it a little big. Cause like sometimes they pull on your hair, so like just gonna make it a little big. Now that I'm almost finished, I'll finish this off and show you how to use the clip. So if you're watching this just to see how I do the pattern and you already know, you already know how to do this, well then you're just watching to see how to do the clip or something. Like, comment down below if you want me to show you how to do comment down below the type of videos you want to see. So I'm gonna end it off with a pink because I started with a green, right? And then once it goes together, so you're gonna take the C clip. I want to make sure that you guys see this. I'm gonna take the clip, if you don't, whatever clip you're using. I'm gonna use a C clip. You're gonna hook it on to one of the sides. Hook it on to the other. That part's the tricky part. Then you should have it look like this. And then you're going to take the other side. Put them together. So there was two, it should be one now. You're going to put them on your fingers like that, or on your tool, whatever you're using. You could do it the way I did it before, but it's really quick if you just hook it on. And then, bada bing, bada boom, you got your bracelet. So that's how quick and easy it is. Really doesn't take that long. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you give that comment down below if you want me to do a tutorial on like what's the difference and stuff and things like that, and comment down below if you want me to do more Loom videos. So I'll see you guys another time. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!